Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, two software programmers, invented Dogecoin in late 2013. Palmer coined the term Doge to describe a Shiba Inu dog and used it to create the cryptocurrency's logo. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum, although it is a very different beast than either of these prominent coins. Dogecoin was named after a once popular meme and was designed, at least in part, as a silly joke for crypto fans. Doge daily trading volumes have soared in recent days from around $150 million last year to $22 billion. Some businesses have also taken it upon themselves to devise Dogecoin strategies. 94% of its wallets contain less than $1,300, a far cry from the million-dollar portfolios that many regards as a standard. Most investors are simply interested in a few tens or hundreds of dollars, so instead of watching Dogecoin's quick increase, why not invest $500 in it? Here are the reasons. Dogecoin prices. Many investors feel trapped when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, for example, checks none of these categories. It has no fundamental worth other than what others will pay for it. Meanwhile, its miners utilize more electricity than Argentina's entire population. While Bitcoin has been on a roll this year, it has lost 75% of its value in 2018. To play cryptocurrencies, investors must rely on a final investment pillar that venture capitalists have long recognized. They must make one-sided bets. These bets can return 20 times, 30 times, or even 1,000 times the initial payment, similar to the lottery tickets that Generation Reddit has come to prefer. Because when your holdings have the potential to go to zero, buying only makes sense when the upside potential exceeds the danger. The meme coin of a generation. Dogecoin's $600 million starting market capitalization was key to its rise, a speck in today's sea of cryptocurrencies. That's why it didn't take much more than a few well-timed tweets to send the currency soaring. It is considerably easier to multiply your money quickly when you start from a low place. Dogecoin's current market cap is around $22 billion, which is little but still a fraction of Bitcoin's. Even if Doge rises to $1, as many Robinhood investors hope, the meme coin will still be half the size of Ethereum, the cryptocurrency's number 2 player. The joys of investing. For many early Dogecoin investors, investing was always more about having fun than making money. In 2014, the Dogecoin community raised $184,000 to send Jamaica's bobsled team to the Sochi Olympics, in a move reminiscent of the 1993 film Cool Runnings. Profiteers temporarily modified that in 2014 when someone on the Dogecoin subreddit gathered funds for a failed business venture. However, the coin has now reclaimed its position as a doorway into the often confusing world of cryptocurrencies. After all, with a Doge as a mascot, crypto's technicalities don't seem so insurmountable. Dogecoin's value may grow to $5 or fall to zero. In either case, if you have $500 invested, you will win, because at the end of the day, Doge is just a day at the racetrack. Profits are welcome, but the majority of fans attend to cheer on their favorite horse whether they win or lose. Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. Dogecoin differs from Bitcoin in a few important ways. To begin with, miners can execute the mathematical calculations required to compete and record transactions faster and more easily, making Dogecoin marginally more efficient for payment processing. On the Bitcoin blockchain, it takes 10 minutes to ratify new blocks. On the Dogecoin blockchain, it takes only 1 minute. Another significant variation is the absence of any lifespan limit on the number of Dogecoins that can be created, as previously stated. The maximum amount of coins that can be minted in a lifetime is limited to 21 million Bitcoin. This means that miners must work harder and longer over time to earn new Bitcoin, which helps to ensure Bitcoin's ability to hold and grow in value over time. Should you buy $500 in Doge? because there is no permanent limit on the quantity of Dogecoins that can exist, and millions of new Dogecoins are released into markets every day, there is little reason to keep the cryptocurrency for the long term. Because of the system's lifetime limit on the number of coins that can be issued, the value of Bitcoin continues to rise. Those who bought Dogecoin before the big jumps in 2021 were rewarded handsomely. Buying any cryptocurrency, including Dogecoin, comes with risk. It's always a good idea to buy a few coins and familiarize yourself with the system, but it's advisable to avoid investing more than a small quantity of your hard-earned money in a cryptocurrency that started as a joke. Elon Musk is a great promoter and proponent of Doge. He even went so far as to call himself the Doge Father. In recent tweets, Musk has described why he believes in cryptocurrency and how regular folks at Tesla and SpaceX inspired him with the concept of the true people's coin. If you haven't yet traded in Dogecoin, purchasing smaller amounts can help you understand how newer Robinhood investors frequently think. That's because most youthful investors and meme makers aren't looking for huge returns when they acquire Doge. They're just having fun. Because the average Robinhood account only has $240 balance, most investors will only make a couple of $1,000s in the best case scenario. By buying a tiny quantity of Doge, you can share in the profits without worrying about the impact on your retirement account. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.